right, we're here with Kallen, and it's your big day, because of what?
Why?
What are you going to ride?
Bike.
What kind of bike?
Blue bike.
It's a Razor MX350 that Rennen learned on. And now we're passing it down to you, right?
Yeah.
So now this is your time to test it out for the first time ever.
Yeah.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see what you got. Kick it back with your foot. All the way up. You ready to go? Scoot up a little bit. Go ahead. Up. Need help? Go ahead. Up, up. Good job. You gonna pick that up? Oh, you got it up. Nice work. All right, let's try it on the grass. You don't have to go on the track right away. Try it on the grass first. Do a couple of laps on the grass. We had a spillover. Go help him, support crew. Your vehicle is too slow. What is this? A mobile supercross track?
Yeah.
Coming to help? Good job. You got it, I think. Let's get you straightened back up. Come here. Come out this way.
My supercross truck.
Okay. Give it another go. You got it. You just got to scoot up a little bit on that seat. There you go. Good. Keep going. You got to hit the gas all the way. Keep going. More gas, more gas. Keep going. All the way. That was really good. Was that fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? You want to keep going? Good. Let's, now you can maybe go here around this tree and stay in this corner because that's kind of bumpy over there. Okay, go ahead. Nice work! Fast, go fast, go fast! Did you go over those whoopies? That looks fun. You're doing really good. Okay, you can keep going. Have at it. seat. Grab the seat. Whoa. That's a strong guy. There he goes. Well, that's pretty good. You're doing a good job. Are you a dirt bike rider now? Okay, is it fun? Good. You look good. You had it. A spillover. Grab the seat. Grab the seat. Now grab one handlebar and then, yep, and then the seat. There we go. Rest it on your leg. Good. Perfect. Perfect. What do you think? How's your little brother doing?
Good.
Yeah? Are you impressed? Did you think he was going to be able to do it? No? We all kind of had our doubts, but he's doing really good, isn't he? Pretty soon he's going to be racing you on the track. What do you think about that? Are you going to beat him? Turn it off. All right, hey, put your kickstand down. This side. Use your foot. Hard. Okay, so tell us all about your first ride. Tell us all about it. How was it? Was it fast? How fast?
Fast.
Was it faster than your Stasic? Are you sure? How different was it than the Stasic? Was it more fun than the Stasic or not as fun as the Stasic?
Fun at the station.
As fun as or more fun?
More fun.
Which one did you like better, the Razor or the Stasic?
The Razor.
Uh-oh, really? Okay, so you're going to ride it again tomorrow? Okay, say thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching.